Hello class, Mr. Stone here. The problem they gave us today, it's a quarter circle, and they want to know what the shaded area is, okay? Yeah, hey, I think we can do this. Let's get this pen going, pen. I'm going to leave it to red ink, I kind of like that. Okay, so hey, this is the problem. Okay, I think we can do this. Okay, so what I did above, I put down a few formulas. I like when they're written like this because the more times you look at these different formulas, the more times it's going to sink in your head. Okay, the first formula you're going to need is the area of a circle. Hey, let's figure out what the whole area of the circle is. Okay, and because they want to just know what the shaded area is, but let's figure out what the whole area is. Okay, and then we really divide by 4, so we get a quarter of the circle, and then we just got to figure out what's the area of that rectangle. Okay, it's a right triangle. We know that because even though they didn't put the mark there, but I know it is because what they did is they divided the circle into even quarters. So that's a right angle right there. So I put up the area of a right triangle, and its area equals half times base times height. Below there, I kind of put like what a right triangle actually is. It's half a rectangle. Okay, so it just shows how they made that. So at least you can see that, and that's how they get the half part. Okay, because the area of a rectangle is the width times the length. Okay, which is really the height times the base. So they just changed it from length times width to height times base. Okay, so really you start thinking, wow, this isn't going to be as hard as I think. Okay, so let's figure the area of the whole circle. Okay, let's get this going. So we got area equals pi r square. Okay, the radius they're telling us is 7, so we can fill this in right away. So we got area equals 3.14. They're telling us that. Okay, 3.14 times 7 square. So area equals 3.14 times 49. So let's get the calculator out. We'll get that going. 49 times 3.14 equals 153.86. Area equals 153.86. Hey, we got that figured out. Okay, now let's figure out what the area of that rectangle is. It says the area of the rectangle is 1/2 BH. Okay, so the area equals 1/2 BH. Let's see what that will be. 4 times 7. 4 times 7. Area equals 1/2. 28. Area equals 14. Okay, so now we just take this, we want 1/4 of this, okay? Because don't forget we're only dealing with 1/4 of this, okay? So what I'd do is I'd take the 153.86, divide by 4. Divide by 4 equals 38.46. Equals 38.46. Now minus 14.46. We'll carry that down. Okay, 0.46. Carry down to 4. We carry down 2. So the shaded area is 24.46. That's the answer. But you see how easy that really was when you step back? Like I said on all these problems, you just step back and you look and say, hey, how can I solve this with the given information? And you just start thinking, hey, if it was a whole circle, how much would it be? It would be 153 if it was a whole circle, but it's not really a whole. It's a quarter of the circle, okay? And then, of that quarter of the circle, which is 38.46, we're taking off the area of that little triangle, which is 14, okay? And we come down with 24.46, and that's the answer. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you know what I always say is math can be fun. Thanks. Have a great day now. Take care. Bye-bye.